The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, commonly known as the G-Wagon, is one of the most iconic luxury SUVs in the world. Originally developed in the late 1970s as a military and utility vehicle, it quickly evolved into a symbol of prestige and rugged capability. With its boxy design, strong off-road performance, and luxurious interior, the G-Class has become a favorite among celebrities, adventurers, and car enthusiasts alike. Despite modern upgrades, the G-Wagon has retained its classic design, making it instantly recognizable on the road. Under the hood, the G-Class offers powerful engine options that combine performance with durability. Models such as the G550 come with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing over 416 horsepower, while the high-performance AMG G63 delivers a staggering 577 horsepower. These engines are paired with advanced transmissions and 4MATIC all-wheel drive systems, ensuring both on-road speed and off-road dominance. The G-Class balances raw power with refined handling, making it a versatile luxury SUV. One of the defining characteristics of the G-Class is its off-road capability. With features like 3 locking differentials, low-range gearing, and exceptional ground clearance, it can tackle some of the toughest terrains in the world. Whether it's climbing steep hills, navigating through mud, or crossing rivers, the G-Wagon is engineered to perform where other luxury SUVs might struggle. Despite being a high-end vehicle, it hasn't lost touch with its rugged origins. Inside the cabin, the G-Class offers pure luxury and comfort. The interior is crafted with premium leather, wood, and metal finishes, blending modern technology with timeless elegance. It comes equipped with advanced features like a widescreen digital cockpit, Burmester surround sound system, ambient lighting, and cutting-edge driver assistance technologies. The spacious cabin ensures comfort for both driver and passengers, making long journeys enjoyable. Safety has always been a top priority for Mercedes-Benz, and the G-Class is no exception. It comes with advanced safety systems including adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and multiple airbags. The SUV's robust construction also enhances occupant protection, ensuring peace of mind for its owners whether they're driving in the city or venturing off-road. The exterior design of the G-Class has remained largely unchanged for decades, preserving its heritage. The upright stance, flat body panels, round LED headlights, and exposed door hinges pay homage to its original military roots. However, subtle updates in aerodynamics, lighting, and overall refinement have kept it modern without losing its iconic identity. This balance of tradition and innovation is one reason why the G-Class has such a loyal following. Overall, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class stands as a unique combination of luxury, performance, and off-road capability. It represents both heritage and innovation,